Ms. Jeanel Bowla, could you tell us why we're having this event and what's the importance of it?
All right, so this event is special to us here at BMW Jamaica. It is the exclusive viewing of the movie Marvel Black Widow. It is being shown here to all of our BMW customers, M customers, and special invited customers. It is going to be released tomorrow worldwide. So this is very special, and it also features our BMW 2 Series Grand Coupé, as well as the new X3, which we're hoping to have or should have in Jamaica here by September.
The Marvel series is one of the greatest action film series of all time. And the Black Widow is charting a new phase in their growth, and as they continue to expand the Marvel universe, we're happy to be a part of it, BMW worldwide. And what is now combined is the best performance car with the best action movie series ever. We expect our customers to be able to see more of what this car can really do, and to be excited as we are about the brand and the direction the brand is going. And this movie will highlight some of that for us.
Who are these specially invited guests that are present here?
Well, we have quite a few different categories of guests. We have our long-time BMW customers that have been with the brand even before ATL owned the brand. We also have our latest M customers. Some of them are here tonight. The most expensive BMW ever bought in Jamaica is actually at the venue tonight. I also have the latest M3 and a couple other cars of that nature, which is just showing at the growth of the brand in Jamaica, as we've just had 4 years straight of record sales.
Okay. BMW are different from any vehicle.
Well, many things. One, of course, is the investment that the family has put into the brand in Jamaica. Two is that we are now the only dealership in Jamaica that also is a supplier for the rest of the Caribbean. Our after-sales package is second to none. What we provide for our customers, as you see them here tonight, they pay absolutely nothing to service their cars for 3 to 5 years, depending on the package that they have. And of course, if you've ever driven a BMW, I need not tell you any more about what it can do for that smile on your face.